Right, this is Mad Dog Ghost Pepper 357 sauce, and we're all going to have a tablespoon of it. See what it's like.
Look how excited Mark looks.
Yeah, I'm scared as fuck to be honest.
Stop swearing.
I'm allowed to swear. Eve. I'm not having that much, like.
Yes, you are.
Shut up, Eve.
Thought you liked spicy
Shut up,
food.
Eve.
Fuck
I hate
off.
spicy food.
Garbage.
That's why I'm starting to like spicy.
You're not gonna like it anymore.
Yeah, I'm not having all that colour.
Why?
What? That's the most.
That's
That's a look.
Right, we've all
I'm
got it
not
on my
having all
spoon.
this, so
We've all got it on my
right.
spoon. We're going to take it.
3, 2,
Oh. 1.
Burn it up.
You don't even have any.
I haven't got it too much.
This is fucking hot. Honestly. Whew.
Fuck this shit.
Everybody patch your spoons.
Oh no, I'm not doing
Look
that.
Corbin's face. You look like a bite. You got your eyes are watering.
I'm gonna be sick.
Can't toilet, we can't be sick on there.
Get
some
the
good
fucking
shit.
milk.
Anybody who's got any milk wound, yeah. Just got a grand through it.
Well,
Go please.
this is the shade of
Milk.
shit.
I want any milk.
I can't even speak.
Oh, I'm hot. I'm crying.
The puffs.
Oh, I'm physically crying.
Your eyes are watering. You too.
Next week we're buying some ghost peppers. I don't think these pussies will try them, but I'll have one.
Okay.
Maybe straight
I'm gonna be
now.
sick.
Mark's wait to be sick.
Is he actually?
Fuck this shit.
I'm so fucking hot.
This is
Pass the
hilarious.
out, please. Mark waiting in the toilet.
I physically need something help.
Are you?
It's too hot.
See you next week for some ghost pepper.